Hey there guys, and welcome to another magical adventure. My name is Matt, and today we have another Bibbidi Bobbidi Box. This is for October, and I'm really excited. I love opening these, so stick around and see what's inside this magical box. Alright, so let's open our box. Go. Alright. And as always, we have our packing slip, but we don't want to open it because it'll tell us what's in the box, and we want it to be a surprise. So hold that there. Oh, look at this! It's a usual postcard that they include with it, and this one's I haven't seen this one before. This is for Halloween. It says it's really not so scary, and it says boo to you. I really like this one a lot. Yeah, and then it says on the back, it says who made our box, and last time, it's Mama B. Alright, we got some pixie dust on the top, which is also always cool. Shift some of that pixie dust over here so it doesn't get all over the place. Let's see what we got. Alright, so we have this box to start with. It says Disney Showcase Collection, so you always know that that's something good when that comes up. Let's see what that's all about. Oh, this is so cool. It's a... This is really cute. It's Sorcerer's Apprentice. It's a sorcerer hat and broom, salt and pepper shaker. Look how cute those are. That's something really unique. I've never seen these before. These are really cool. Nice. And I love Sorcerer Mick. Wow, there's a bunch of stuff in here this time around, guys. This is really cool. Okay, so we have a t-shirt, and it looks like it's an Aladdin t-shirt, which I love Aladdin. And it's got a Boo on it. Let's see if I can you see it? There you go. It's got a Boo, and he's on the carpet, and the palace is in the back, the Agrabah Palace. This is really cool. I love Aladdin because I used to work at Magic Carpets of Aladdin. Plus, I love the movie too. It's a cute little daisy button. Take her out of the back. You can see better. There you go. That's cute. Okay, let's see. Ooh, this is a pin blind box. Says Disney Lounge Fly blind box pins. Try saying that 10 times fast. Box looks like it's a blind box within a blind box. Blind box within a blind box. That's a new tongue twister, I think. And it looks like all different kinds of snacks, which is really cool. I'll zoom that in. Yeah, it's like a Donald Dole Whip, a donut, a Goofy ice cream cone, a Pluto popsicle stick, a Mickey cupcake. Let's see what's in here. Let's see what's in the little blind box. And within the blind box is a blind bag. So a blind box within a blind bag within a blind box within a blind box. And it's a Donald Dole Whip. Look how cool that is. It's a cute pen. Another box. with the Disney Showcase collection. That means I have to find more room back here. We'll see. Oh, this one's really cool. Sticking with the Aladdin theme of the t-shirt. Whoa. That's more of that. We have the Genie, one of my favorite Disney characters, so they got the spot on again as usual. And he's singing Friend Like Me. Nice. Well, as always, Bibbidi Boxes has it spot on, and I loved it. Loved my box. So I think that's all the items in there. We'll just double check on our handy dandy packing slip. Yes, the Abu shirt, the sensational button, that's the Daisy button, the Genie Jim Shore, and the blind box pin, and sorcerer hat, and the broom salt and pepper shakers. So thank you guys for joining us today. Let me know in the comments what your favorite item was, or if you've gotten a Bibbidi box before, and what kind of stuff you got. So, if you enjoyed this video, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified when all of our latest videos go live. And be sure to join us every Saturday at 7:30 p.m. right here on our YouTube channel or on Facebook for our live weekly show. We talk about all things Disney. We have a lot of exciting stuff coming up, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. So thanks again for joining us, and until our next magical adventure, see you real soon. Hey there guys, thanks for joining us on this adventure. Mickey and I have some great news for you. Take it away, Mickey. We got more adventures for you, so be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can join us on all of our adventures. Until our next magical adventure, see you real soon!